Dear students, welcome to another presentation on Engineering Mathematics 1. In this, we are discussing about partial fractions, right? Since last few presentations, we are discussing about various examples on these partial fractions. In today's presentation also, I would like to explain one of the very important model question that has been asked in a previous question paper, right? The question is like this. So the question is like this. This is very important model. Resolve the expression is like this: x plus 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6 into partial fractions partial fractions partial fractions. So this is the question: resolve the given x plus 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6 into partial fractions. How we can solve this given? So very simple actually. Coming to the solution, just what is the given? Actually you write as it is. So given data in the solution you must write like this. So given data, what is the given data? Write as it is. Given data is nothing but x plus 1, right, by x square plus 5x plus 6. Am I correct? And further, this is equal to, how this can be written? X plus 1, the numerator you can keep like that only. See the denominator part, it is the second order equation. Okay, so it is x square plus 5x plus 6. So what is the highest power? This is the expression in terms of the x, where x is having the power 2. So the power 2 and then x power 1, actually then x power 0. So what is the highest power of x? It is the 2. Therefore it is a second order equation, second order, right? So the simple method to find out the roots of this equation, we have to find the roots of this equation. How? We already know that. So x square plus 5x plus 6, we already know that. How this can be? So here it is, if you compare this with the, it is something ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard expression actually. This is the standard expression, ax square plus bx plus c, is it not? Then a is the coefficient of x square, c is the constant. Then the x square coefficient is a. X square coefficient is a. Similarly, what is the x square coefficient here? It is 1. So nothing is there. Therefore, assume that 1 is the coefficient. Therefore, the x square coefficient and the constant value c, this is the constant, both must be multiplied. Nothing but a into c. What is the value? A into c, like that. If you compare the same here, what is the a? A is equal to 1. What is the constant? 6. 6 into 1, 6. Is it not? 6. And 6. Then you take any two numbers. So nothing but what actually? It is 6 is nothing but 2 3s are 6. In straightforward manner I will explain. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3 nothing but 6. Okay, 2 into 3 is nothing but 6, right? So if you add these two, or otherwise if you subtract these two, the middle one, you will get the middle one, 5. Nothing but b. Okay, the product of a into c, nothing but 6 here, 6 into 1, is it not? 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So that can be written as like this: 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, nothing wrong. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, if you add these two numbers or if you can subtract these two, we should get the middle one. Therefore, how? So 2 into 3, if you add 2 plus 3, how much? 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. Therefore, how this can be written as? And furtherly, I can write this as x square plus, for this 5x, I can write like this, 2x plus 3x plus 6. Any problem is there? I can write like this, x square, nothing but 1x square, 1. Okay, you can write, or nothing wrong if you do not write also. Okay, so x square, this 5x, I can write like this, 2x plus 3x, nothing but 2x plus 3x is nothing, 5x. Okay, because 2 into 3, again 6 into 1, 6, it equal to 6, therefore plus 6, right? Therefore, I am trying to find out the roots of this equation. So here, if you take in between these two, take x as common, then what you will get? X plus 2. Am I correct or not? Take in these two x square plus x square plus 2x. Consider this term. Take x as common, then you will get 1x here. Then if you take this x outside, you will get 2. Therefore, x plus 2 becomes in the bracket. If you multiply this x with the this part whichever is there in the bracket, x into x, x square, clear, plus, okay, then x into 2, 2x, sufficient. Is it fine? Then take here again, 3 as common here. If you take 3 as common here in these two terms, 3x plus 6, take 3 as common, then what you will get? X plus 3 2s are 3 2 times are 6. There, right? Therefore, so from this expression, if you see here in the bracket, so in the bracket you will get the same value, x plus 2 as well as the x plus 2. Therefore, if you get the same value, consider 1, x plus 2, consider x plus 2 as a root. Similarly, x plus 3 is the another root. Therefore, as it is a second order equation, the roots for this equation is, one is the x plus 2, which is already there in the bracket, x plus 2, and the another you should consider as x plus 3, that is the another root. Okay, therefore in this, so whatever the expression is given in this form, that I have to convert in this form, okay, in its roots form. Therefore sorry, therefore clear. Therefore, x plus 1 is nothing but x plus 1. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to this much. Now, furtherly, this can be written as furtherly. Now, the problem is over almost all. And furtherly, what you can write? This is equal to, as we already discussed in previous presentation, a by x plus 2 you make, or you can write like this, a by x plus 2 and b by, what is that, x plus 3. Any wrong in this? Nothing wrong. Therefore, you can write, so the entire is equal to a by x plus 2 and then plus b by x plus 3. And from this, take the cross multiplication here, okay, and means that this implies take the cross multiplication, nothing but a into x plus 3 plus, like this, take cross multiplication like this, a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2 is equal to x plus 1. That's it, very simple. Therefore, I can write here, so a into x plus 3, like this, a into, what is that, x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2, b into x plus 2 is equal to, you have to equate that cross multiplication product or the sum of that is equal to x plus 1. The numerator part you have to make it equal. Why? Because on both the sides, on the left hand side as well as the right hand side, the denominator part gets same. Therefore, both will be cancelled out in the denominator. Therefore, we have to write like this. So, a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 2 is equal to x plus 1. Right? Now, what we have to do? So, make either x plus 3 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So, if you want to make the first one equal to 0, then substitute here x plus 3. So, when it will become 0? if you take the x value minus 3, therefore for you can write like this, for x is equal to minus 3, for x equal to minus 3, then what you will get? So for x equal to minus 3, substitute this x equal to minus 3 in the total expression. Then what you will get? A into, it is minus 3 plus 3 plus b, clear, into what is x? It is minus 3 plus 2 is equal to, it is minus 3 plus 1. Am I correct? Am I correct? Therefore, just I will erase here. I can solve here for you. So, therefore, if you see here, minus 3 plus 3 means that 3 minus 3, the total, this term becomes 0. Therefore, a into 0, clear, because 3 minus 3 how much? It is 0. Therefore, a into 0 plus b into minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 how much? It is minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Therefore, a into 0 is 0. A into 0 is 0. B into minus 1 minus b is equal to minus 2. This implies 0. However, there is no value for 0. Therefore, minus b is equal to minus 2. And so this is the equal. So minus b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, this minus and this minus will cancel out. Therefore, your b is equal to how much? 2. Therefore, we got one value. So we got b value. B is equal to 2. We got b value and that value equal to 2. Fine. That is what? By substituting x equal to minus 3. That is the step 1. Now coming to this part, now substitute x equal to minus 2. In the second step, substitute x equal to minus 2. Right? Just I will write the same here. Okay. Very simple. Very simple. Now substitute now for what is that? X equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. What you will get for this? Here a, it is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 and plus b into what is x? Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 1. Am I correct? And the equivalent I will write here. So remember that your b value is 2. Remember that you write somewhere. Your b value is 2 because I will erase here. Okay. Getting the value. Therefore, now, so the next step will be like this. So what is that? A, it is a, right? Minus 2 plus 3. It is 3 minus 2. How much? 3 minus 2. It is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Plus b, it is minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2. It is 0. This is equal to minus 2 plus 1. It is minus 1. This implies a into 1, a, plus b into 0, 0 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, a plus 0 is a because 0 is of no value. Therefore, what is? A is equal to minus 1. This is a value. Therefore, we got a value as well as b value. Substitute these two a, b values in this expression. Therefore, that is what your final answer. Therefore, I am writing the final expression. What is that? Final you can write like therefore, what is that? Therefore, it is a by, what is here in place of a by a. So directly I can write a is nothing but substitute the value minus 1. What is that? X plus 3 plus what is b? It is 2 by x plus 2. That is what actually. That is equal to your x plus 1 by, you can write x square plus 5x plus 6, or even you can write like this, x plus 1 by x plus 2 into x plus 3. Nothing wrong in that. Nothing wrong at all. This is, therefore, You can write this part on the left side or this part to the right side. Nothing wrong in that. Nothing. Okay, you can write. So this is the A value, this is the B value. That's it. That is what your answer. Clear? This is one of the very important model in the diploma first year engineering mathematics subject. Therefore, say for example, if you compare this particular example with our previous presentation, there we have did one particular example. Directly the roots form, this form has been given. So that is very simple actually. Now if the expression form is given like this, x square plus plus 5x plus 6, then we have to find out its root, nothing but in this form. Then after that again make into partial fractions, means a by something plus b by something, take the cross multiplication and equal that particular equal to the numerator part and substitute the x values by making one of the portion equal to 0. From that you will get some value of a. Similarly do for the second portion, you will get another value, and finally you will substitute that expression, you will get the answer. Clear? So with this I think we will finish off today's presentation. I hope you very well understood this, and thank you very much for this watching this presentation, and we'll continue with some more examples in our subsequent presentations. Thank you very much.